to my famous YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on natural language processing using Python. As we have gone through few videos on natural language processing, we have gone some videos on natural language processing long back, but still but maybe only 2 or 3. So I'm trying to explore more and more on natural language processing. We have seen some videos on natural language processing such as speech to text using command prompt and Streamlit, then language translation using Streamlit, then natural language processing emotion detection in text using Python, then latest video speech to text and text to speech, vice versa. Today's video is really creative. It is about speech to text in different style. So let us go through the program code. This is all about the program. Now I will execute the program.
What's your name, human?
Sanjay Mahajan.
Hello, Sanjay Mahajan. What can I do for you?
Open google.com.
What can I do for you?
Open facebook.com.
What can I do for you?
Open yahoo.com.
What can I do for you?
Open gmail.com.
What can I do for you?
Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye, Sanjay Mahajan.